just wanted to do a little video because we are at Cheesecake Factory, and we don't come here very much because the prices do not compare to Taco Bell. Anyways, kind of do a little vlog. I'm at Cheesecake, and boom, I actually got a front row parking spot. It's always good. What's up, guys? A little last minute trip. As you can tell, it's storming. Saturday evening. Rolling out with Kyle right now. He's got a JKU Rubicon on some 40s, Pro-Con V-Lux. Show you guys that Jeep later, hopefully. Really awesome Jeep, but yeah, I guess we're gonna do a little bit of mud riding, but we're not gonna be doing anything quite like last time, just because, wow, that's a lot of water in here. Yeah, we're not doing like anything crazy, like any deep mud holes or something that would require a lot of undercarriage cleaning. Yeah, hopefully it's just some mild trail riding. We're just gonna check out some new trails and see how it goes. Alright, so we out here right now at these rock lights. Oh yeah. Good to go. Currently on this hill right here. Really hard to see, but trying to make it up this ravine right here. It's like really slick outside. The ruts are like super steep, so he's got lockers, all that good stuff, 40s, got the ground clearance. He's still bottoming out. I'm on 37s, so just gonna see how it goes, I guess. He's already lifted a tire because it's pretty steep. Obviously you can't tell on camera, but you can just see how the Jeep is just, oh yeah. See that tire coming off the ground? Definitely hard to do camera justice, but it's pretty steep, pretty gnarly stuff. for not being in an off-road park, I guess. So he's trying to cut left, but as you can see, the rut is carrying the weight of the vehicle. So I mean, it just keeps lifting that front tire, and it's probably just gonna teeter-totter, and then you know, obviously try to lift back and then tilt on its side, which would not be good because all this, hard to see, really steep. He's on more of a flat part right now, so he would come tumbling down into me, if that makes sense, and we do not want that. All right, so he's got the right side up now. I mean, you kind of have to just go, you know, like you can't really back out of it. So okay, there we go. So when we went riding last night, it was definitely raining, as you guys saw. So the aftermath of that was mud, but there wasn't anything like deep, so we were able to kind of creep through it, keeping it all in the fenders, fender wells, all that good stuff. So I was gonna make cleanup a lot more efficient and enjoyable. So that's always pretty difficult to get clean. It takes a few pressure washes and rinses and all that good stuff, and there's always spots that you can't reach and all that good stuff. So yeah, as you guys saw previously, all that crazy mud that we have done in the past, those days have got to be over, because it's just going to destroy any vehicle, really, unless you're doing crazy maintenance after every ride. But this is going to be our daily driver for a while, and we're trying to actually hold on to this Jeep. So, you know, being a commando, only being made in 2013, pretty special to us. So it's a pretty good platform. It didn't have any major rust. Everything is pretty solid. So all we really need to do is keep a good, you know, wear and tear, maintain on it, take care of it. A few bumps and bruises and scratches here and there is to be expected. Gives it character, you know, as long as we don't total it or anything crazy, flip it down a mountain. But yeah, we really are enjoying these 37s too. That trip that we just made out there, we actually took the 1-inch coil spacer out of the front, so that went from 4.5 to 3.5, a true 3.5, and you could just tell the handling difference on the highway and interstate. It drives so much better. The rear still has a rock roller 3.5-inch coils, so that does sit closer to 4.5 inches. But I think that's, you know, what it's intended for, you know, to have a spare tire, which we will be doing eventually. So all good there, no worries. It's not even really that noticeable. It's kind of parked on the hill right now, so the passenger tire is actually flexed up a little bit, so it makes it look like the side's higher. But